Welcome to Healthy G Moms. Ooh, ooh. Welcome to Healthy G Moms. Aha. Welcome around the world. Welcome to my world. Welcome to Healthy G Moms. Ooh, ooh. Welcome, you guys. Welcome back to Healthy G Moms. Right? Again, don't pay attention to my background because Healthy G Mom is doing spring cleaning. That's shredding, moving plants around, organizing my life and my house. Yes, indeed. But I want to talk to you guys. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Shout out to my new subscribers. Shout out to my old subscribers. I mega love you guys. I certainly appreciate you and you and you. You gonna love me. I'm just playing. Don't pay attention to my goofiness. Okay, listen. We're gonna get on the computer real quick because I want to show you some things that I feel that I think can possibly help you. It helps me. I just actually learned about it. So when I learn something, I'll show you guys, right? All right. So let's go over here to my computer, right? And if you can see underneath the UCLA, yes, I'm a UCLA Bruin family, UCLA, all right? Shout out to Los Angeles, California, and that is our University of California, Los Angeles. So we're gonna go into the YouTube app, okay? And we're gonna click on YouTube, right? And, okay, let's see if we can pull that up some. And we're gonna find over here where you see my picture, okay? Underneath that, you go into YouTube Studio. Now, there's different type of ways to find this, but what we're looking for is something that's going to help you, okay? Setting up your channel, and you won't have to do it anymore once you do this. So we're going to go here to where my picture is. You see this? That's the right side, okay? Okay, let me start over again. We're going into the studio, the UC. So if you can see where my name is, the name has two different things. When the drop down tab comes up, you see YouTube, your channel, and it says YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio means exactly this, the back office. The YouTube channel, I'll show you, is the very first, when you see your banner, let me close that out. You see your banner, and it tells you everything about your channel, of who I am, Healthy G Mom, right? With my Cash App, all of this. It tells you if you want to customize your channel, manage your channel. It has my name, my subscribers, and a setup. You can see here, I have like my intro of who I am, what did I survive. That's how I set up my channel. So my first video, my introduction video is my first thing that you see when you come to my house. But it also have above it, it says it's a home, video, playlist, community, membership, channels, and about me, right? Underneath that, then you see the uploads, and then you'll see shorts, right? My short videos, everything that those things that I've done. Then you see creative playlists, right? I just made a video about that showing playlists. And underneath, you see my wonderful members, right? All of my members, right? So that's what the main page, which is the YouTube channel, takes you to. But there's a back office, which I said back over here, which is called the YouTube Studio. Click that on the right side, and it's going to take you over to, and we're going to follow over to the left side, underneath where you says the YouTube logo and studio. Underneath that, you'll see my picture that I have selected. You want to select the picture. Underneath that, it say your channel. Who are you? Healthy G Mom. And then it's going to be a drop down of things that can help you with your channel, guide you through your channel. There's the dashboard. There's the content. Content is video you created. Playlist. Playlist is a series of videos that you have created, right? Then the analytics, the comments, the subtitles, copyrights, monetization, customization if you want to customize your channel, and then the auto library. Underneath that, what we're looking for, most important, you see this word right here, it's called settings. You see this little thing right here? It takes you to settings, so we click on settings. So that's right, we're gonna go into the settings. This is what I'm talking about. This is what's gonna help your channel. We are looking for, underneath the settings, you see where it says general, it says channel, it says upload defaults, permission, community, creator demographics, and agreements, right? So automatically, when you underneath settings, you'll see general. What does it default to? Now the default is basically a general is default. It takes me to what is your currency? What currencies that you have, right? And of course, my currency is the U.S. because I'm in the United States of America. Los Angeles, California, in the United States of America. Yes, indeed. Here in Los Angeles, it is currently 1:30 p.m. and it is June 29th, 2022. Okay, so keep going. So we'll see here. Now you go to channel, right? Now on the channel, it tells you basic information, advanced settings, feature eligibility, right? On there, underneath, it tells you what is your, again, where's your residence? That's the United States of America. Now this, I don't really mess with. This is just asking you keywords. You can do this. You can put this if you want to. I choose not to. What I'm getting to underneath the settings, this is a very important area. It's called upload defaults. Yes, indeed. Upload defaults. This automatically defaults on your channel if you select something. So let's select it. Let's see what's going on up in here. You see where that says? Upload defaults. Okay? Upload defaults take you back to basic information, advanced setting, and monetization, right? Now, this is where your title is. Because I change my title every day or every other day or whenever I do my videos, it can be the same, but I leave that blank. I always fill in my description, but I didn't want to fill it in today. I erased it on purpose because I want you guys to create. I have something. This is just going to take out a step for you. So if you are now, right now, in your description every day, you got to put the same old stuff. You have to copy and paste. This will, the automatic default means once you do this, this will set up and it will be there for you, right? And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste in what my description is. And if you don't know what the description is, let's go back. Oh, okay. Before I go to that, I'm going to go. Okay. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to paste that in there. So it says the title, which I don't have anything because I changed that. But the description for me stays the same. I just add a couple of things in the top in there. And then if you see here, it says visibility. It's public. It can be private. But remember, when you do private, no one else can see it but you. And do you get credit for it? No, you do not. Right? You only get credit for videos that are public. If it's private, you are not getting credit for it. Period. Okay? And that's not my idea. That's YouTube's guidelines. Here, if we continue down where you see tags, all these tags are automatically. I should have took them out so you can see how we put them in there. But I have a default because sometimes I just do not want to keep creating tags every day. I basically, who I am, I have a tag of a hashtag. Tags mean hashtag, okay? How I can get to or who I'm going to. My name is first on the list. Hashtag healthy Gmont. I live a healthy lifestyle, so that tag stays in there. Healthy, healthiness. You know, everything that I want in there, this tag that I use all the time, I can add to this, but these are the basic things, healthy mindset on YouTube. This is what I have automatically in my automatically default. Now let's go. I'm going to close it real quick because I want to go to a video. Here, let's go to a video, go to content, and I'll show you what I was trying to show you right here. You see where it says Mudbank videos? This is a video I just made like 20 minutes ago, right? 20 minutes ago, I just did a premiere, but I strategically left out and left my description blank, right? And on here, I put title was Mudbank Wednesday. You see how I remember it was blank? That's what this looked like. See the title and your description right here. It's blank. But if you go over, you keep going. Let me go to another video. Go back to channel content. Use the arrow. Go back. And now I will go to another video that I created yesterday. It was about fruits, how to eat fruits and vegetables, right? You see how the description is automatically filled out? This is what I have on here all the time. I survived during the pandemics by beating coronavirus. Okay, basically, that's what I have up in here with my P.O. box, my healthy G mom, who I am, my Gmail, and all that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you. I'm going to copy this. First, I'm going to highlight. I'm going to copy. Okay, right click, copy. You see that? So I'm going to take this paragraph and I'm going to insert it in my default. So let's go back to settings. We're going to go back over to, okay, now we're going to go back to here where you says settings. I want it to be default. So here, and you go click where it says settings. Remember, I just copied. Then I'm going to go back and where it says upload defaults. And I'm going to go back to where it says the blank description, right? And I'm going to set it and paste it, right? You see here, paste. Okay, and you see how it has, that's the bottom part, my P.O. box, my Cash App, whatever you want to put in your description and you do not want to keep adding to daily, this is what you will see. See all of this, right? So that's what I'm going to save. And I always keep my videos public because I want to be paid. Now, if you're not monetized yet, you still want to start practicing like you're going to be monetized. If you are trying to be in the YPP, it's called YouTube Partnership Program. And a YouTube Partnership Program allows you to benefit off of making income, which is being a part of their monetary department, right? You'll have the opportunity to make income off of the commercials and super chats and all of that. But basically, you see if I copy this, I paste it in here, I'm going to save it, right? And it's going to be automatically, and of course, my tags are already there. So I have saved tags that I want to be automatic and my description to be automatic. And we'll save that, right? Okay, let's go back again to, I want to go back again one more time to the settings. And I want to show you the advanced settings. So we did basic information. So see how that just populated automatically? It's there. So each time you put up your video, that'll come in there and you don't have to worry about, inputting, copy and pasting every day. Once you paste it in the default, the upload default area, it is there. Bam. All right. Let's go into advanced settings. You see how also you can set up another advanced settings. Another feature, I automatically have standard YouTube licensings. And who am I? My category, I'm under how-to styles, lifestyle, right? My language is English. These are stuff that I've automatically set up. The caption, this content has never been aired. I want to allow all comments, okay? And yes, okay, what else do we want on here? So we got that. Okay, monetization. Okay, and monetization, again, is for money. Once you become monetized, I do not display, put in skippable. So I want to put, non-skippable. Non-skippable means they don't move. But that is something if you want to learn on the side. This is just another setting that I set up, my monetary. But I want to go down, click quickly to the channel. Okay, permission. Oh, here we go. Permission. Now, this is another thing I have in here that I have automatically set up. I am the only one. This is an area. Who are you giving permission to be a part of your channel? For me, as of right now, I am the owner. That's who I want to invite. No one else is connected to my channel. That means when you do lives and all that, you're giving people permission to come in and take control of your channel. That is what permission means, okay? And I think we got, okay, I'm not going to show you all that. That's the people that I don't, we'll go back into, creator. This helped make YouTube inclusive. So basically, I showed you what an upload default is. And let's go into a video. Let me see, close it. We're going to close that. Now we're going to go to this area. So we're going to go back to mukbang. So that's not in there now. But if we set this off, today I'm going to go and paste this in here. But once I create another video, this video that I'm creating right now, okay, I will have the opportunity. Okay, I see what I did. I just saved it, right? So that is a setting. So default, that's going to be defaulted. So you see in description, my title and my description box, this will automatically be in here. Not today, I decided to break. Only from here, okay? Whatever you saved in the upload default section. And in addition, it says no, it's not safe and all that. So showing you some tips on how you can use or what you can use to help you daily for so you don't have to do this every day. You set it in upload default. It will automatically be there for you when you need it. Okay, much love.